Make a great choice today with 2012 Avalanche. The Chevy Avalanche can transform from an SUV into a full-size pickup truck, all in less than a minute. This makes the Avalanche one of the most flexible vehicles out there. This vehicle has less than 100,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: suspension package off-road, four-wheel drive, tire pressure monitor, tow hitch, heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, remote engine start, traction control, stability control, daytime running lights. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.